Hi guys, I want to go over daily homework page number 137. So in our math, we've been working with tenths, and so we're going to start doing some of those on our daily homework pages, adding using tenths. So my first question for you guys is 12.7 plus 13.8. We talked about lots of strategies about how we can do these kinds of questions. I'm going to do the count forward strategy. So if I'm doing that, I've got 10 and 10. That's 20. I'm just going to write 20 here. And then I have 2 and 3, that's 5. And then I have 7 tenths plus 8 tenths, which is 15 tenths, or 1.5. Now, if I put these together, I have 20 plus 5 is 25, plus another 1 is 26.5. 26.5. My next question is 64 divided by 4. How many 4s does it take to get to 64? Well, I'm going to use this method here. I'm going to put the 64 under the little house with 4 here. I know that 10 times 4 is 40, so that would leave me with 24 left over. And I know that it takes 6 4s to get to 24. So that would mean I have 10 and 6, which is 16. 16 times 4 is 24, so 24 divided by 4 is 16. My next question is fill in the blank. What times 11 would equal 77 plus 22? Well, I know 77 plus 22 is 99, and we've been looking at the multiplying by 11 quite a bit this year, and we know that any single digit number multiplied by 11 is 2 of itself. 3 times 11 is 33, 6 times 11 is 66, 9 times 11 is 99. So our missing number must be 9. I have a time question for you guys here. If this is the time, what time will it be in 1 hour and 55 minutes? So I have 8 o'clock right here, because there's the shorthand is pointing at the 8, the longhand is pointing at the 12. So an hour after 8 o'clock would be 9 o'clock, and 55 minutes after that would be 9:55. Last question is I'm asking for you to add up this math square. So I have 18, 13, 15, 12. So what I would do is I would start off looking at this 13 and 12, because 13 and 12 is, well, 10 and 10 is 20, and 3 and 2 is 5, so that's 25. Then I'm going to look at this 15 next, so that's 25. Add 15, well, I know 5 more onto 25 would be 30, and 10 more would get me to 40. And then 40 plus 10 would be 50, and another 8 would be 58. There would be my, my sum. All right, guys. Make sure you do your Lexia practice, and make sure you write down what you read and what you learned. All right, guys. Have a great day.